welcome to the vlogs. I didn't say it in Avalon Zoo, so I'm saying it now. Welcome to the vlogs. So we went there on May 30. May 31 is my birthday. We went there on May 30 to celebrate my birthday. And if I'm not wrong, I think we went there on a Sunday. Yeah. Children and babies are allowed in Avalon Zoo. It is open space. It is fairly safe. And if you guys follow the precautions, they do follow the precautions such as wearing face mask, face shield, and social distance. And if you guys see a large group of people in one area, you guys can always go to another area and always just come back to the area when the crowd has lessened. Doy. If you guys are going in the hot weather, I highly recommend you guys bring a fan. If you guys are going on a rainy weather, bring an umbrella just in case it rains midway along your trip. I just want to say that even though you watched this vlog, thank you for watching by the way, you guys did not see every single animal in Avalon Zoo. Some animals, I believe they were like more hidden in their enclosure. You know, like how some enclosures like have a private room where they can like be away from the crowd, I guess. So I think some of them were in there, some of them were in the trees, some of them were a bit more inner. So unclear footage like that and things I didn't see, I didn't film anymore. So if you guys go to Avalon Zoo, there are still much more things that you can explore. Yeah. So after saying that and give you guys some context, let's go on a chill, fun day at Avalon Zoo.
Diyan na! Diyan na! Ano yan?
Diyan.
It's the first time I vlog like this. Like outside like this. But you know. Where's hippopotamus? Oh, it's a capybara. Wait lang. Mushroom!
Kisain, pasok ka. Pare, woo! May kita pa daw yun.
Philippine Eagle!
Ooh, ang laki ng mata mo.
What a fantastic stare!
Furry! Nakapusa! like animal.
Am I disrupting a meeting? So next up is lunch. After roaming around, we finally had lunch. We ordered other things, but I had barbecue. I have to say the barbecue is nice, but it's spicy. So if you guys are planning to order it for children, just know that it is pretty spicy. So what else? We also ordered Milo Dinosaur, and with Milo Dinosaur comes a free dinosaur ring.
Look at my ring!
I got, if I'm not wrong, I think it's a Triceratops. And I think the other one was like a pterodactyl. Hindi mali, ano mang... Philippine freshwater crocodile. There she is. Hi.
What's up, man? What's wrong?
Asian vine snake.
Tawag ito. Kulay green. Ito. Lasong ko.
Look at her. Ang ganda niya.
Of course, first snakes together.
Mangrove snake.
Oh, there we go. Reticulated python. This guy's iconic. Brazilian rainbow bubble.
Right there.
Look, look. Where's the snake? Nakawala. I don't know where's the snake.
What about these guys? Don't tap the glass. So is there supposed to be something in here? Look.
Tell me if you guys see something kasi for me, wala akong makita. Kasi for me, pag ganyan, snake, Philippine viper. If I'm not wrong, I think that is its tail.
And then there's Solomon Round. Snake. Snake.
Oh, there it is. There. Oh.
So even though it looks like there's no laman, there's actually like... Wait lang.
Like, even if you can find it, it's actually right there. Like, you see the fan? There.
Did I want to highlight anything?
No, nakakatamad yan. So, I'm highlighting it with the fan.
No,
Then,
highlight.
tapos, here naman, the tarantula. Apat, lima.
for camouflage purposes and they're really slow. That's why mold tends to grow on the mold tuloy. Basta, whatever that is, bagay ba yan?
Roti Island snake neck turtle.
Jump! Jump, buddy, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it, Yayo. Ooh! Yay! Iguana, iguana. Green iguana. Wait, can you guys see it or not? No? Well, there we go. There. That's a big fella. This guy is in the midst of shedding. Wow, moves so slow. See, if you guys go to Avalon Zoo, like, congrats. Discover this, that I have a crap immune system then. I got my picture with the parrot. Yeah. Seems. I hope it's a nice picture so I can put it on Instagram and put it in the thumbnail. And straight.
So after a day well spent and seeing majority of the animals, we went home pretty early. We got ice cream and we took takeout, and then we came back home. That's already the end of the Avalon Zoo adventure. If you guys stuck it out to the end, congratulations. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell, but only if you want to. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye!